Alright class, so today we're going to study two different types of shapes. Alright, we're going to study organic shapes and geometric shapes. Does anyone know the difference between organic and geometric shapes or have any idea?
No.
No? Well, geometric shapes are normal shapes such as like triangles, squares, circles, and always have some sort of straight line or are very precise. Organic shapes have no straight lines, none at all, and are very free form. So to give you an example, what was an example I just told you was an organic shape? I mean, not an organic, geometric shape.
Lines, like triangles?
Yeah, triangles. What about here? I want someone to come up and draw an organic shape for me. Just something really free form. Sure. Okay, so a cloud. That's a free-form shape because clouds are never the same, ever. They're always different. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a page on different geometric and organic forms. That's upside down, honey. All right. So, do you recognize any of these shapes? Any geometric shapes?
The circle, the triangle, the rectangle.
That's not a rectangle.
Square.
Yeah.
Rectangle.
Okay. So, geometric shapes, pretty simple, right? On organic, freeform, and natural shapes, do any of these look similar to you?
That looks like the clouds are raining.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like
Nothing.
a blob of paint.
Looks like nothing.
And that looks like
Exactly. So, but leaves are never the same. Blobs of paints are never the same. And clouds are never the same. They never look the same. That's why they're organic. All right. So I'm going to show you a video that shows you multiple types of geometric shapes. You guys ready?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape. Name, game, that is what we like to do. Circle.
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 Good job.
Square.
Square.
Square. Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Oval.
Oval.
Oval. Diamond.
Diamond.
Diamond. Heart.
Heart.
Heart. Star.
Star.
Star. Shapes have names. They're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape. Name, game. That is what we like to do. Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Now, does this shape look a little more?
Trapezoid.
Do you recognize that shape?
Kind of.
Kind of. What does that kind of look like to you?
I don't know.
Looks like a rectangle, just a little slanted.
Polygon. Pentagon. Hexagon. Octagon. Octagon.
Shapes have names. They're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape. Name, game. That is what we like to do. Sphere. Sphere. Cube.
Cube.
Cube. Pyramid.
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 Cone. Cylinder. Triangle.
Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Now we know the shapes. Let's do the shape dance.
Alright class, so after watching that video, I want you guys to go back and forth telling me different geometric shapes you remember. And I will have you come up and you're going to draw them as they're said. Come on up. Alright, so geometric shapes. You can do the first one. What's a geometric shape you remember? Okay, what's that called?
A.
How many sides did you draw?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, so what was it?
A pentagon.
No, you didn't remember it at all. 8 sides is an octagon. All right, you're still going to draw the shapes, but we're going to have another student. What's the shape you remember?
Rectangle.
All right, draw that for us. That's not a rectangle, honey. Well, but leave
It's
that
a
there.
long square. I know.
Exactly.
I forgot.
It's okay. So that's a rectangle. Now your turn. It's one that you remember. Exactly. And what is that?
A triangle.
Good. You?
Square.
Square. Awesome. Let's do one of the weird ones. Each do one of your weird shapes that you remember towards the end of the video. What's a weird one you remember? We'll let her go first.
What about a rhombus?
A rhombus? Do you remember what that is? No? A rhombus is like a perfect diamond. Perfect. That's a kite. That's a shape we didn't actually learn about today.
A rhombus is like a slanted square.
It's a parallelogram, darling.
Oh.
A rhombus is a perfect diamond. Exactly. And your turn. You get to do the last shape. Oh, weird shape. Remember. What is that? And that's upside down, by the way. But it's okay. What is it? You know what? You can't draw it if you don't know what it is.
I forgot.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Exactly. All right. So since we're done doing a little quiz on that, we are going to do a little assessment right here. And I'm going to have you guys, now I hope you do well, honey, because you didn't seem to quite remember them up on the board. So we're going to do a little quiz on about 9 easy shapes. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Do that real quick. I'll give you about a minute. See how many you get right. You're going to tell me the name of what this is. Tell me how many sides it has and how many corners. As you're finishing that up, does anyone in the class want to tell me the one difference we've been talking about, or one difference, well, you talked about a few differences there are between organic and geometric shapes?
Organic ones, they don't really have lines, like specific lines.
Yeah, that's true. They do have lines, but they're not straight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What's another thing about geometric and organic that are different? Anybody?
Geometric is like specific shapes and organic is not.
Yeah, it's very free form, natural. And when I say natural, I mean like he wrote here, a cloud. It's something that actually exists. But it's free, it's different. So anyways, we're going to end it here, and you can finish your test later, but I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Sounds great. Bye.